carefully replaced for our destiny. You came and you took this heart and set it free. Every word you write or sing is so warm to me, so